Hey folks, I just cut out this other piece from the Chevy frame, and let's analyze that piece I just cut out. I'm going to take you all to welding school just for a moment or two, simply because I'm very disgusted on seeing all these quote self-taught welders out there. They're idiots. Okay, here's the piece that I cut out of the frame. Let's examine what we got going on here. See that rip? See that break? That's from me pounding on it with a 2-pound hammer to release. I'm not sure if this light is going to help or hinder me, but that's me pounding with a 2-pound hammer to break this large chunk out. And the guy who welded this wasn't me. Dwayne Smith of Outlaw Custom Hot Rod, that's his shop name. This weld broke. This is a frame. This should not break. Okay, this should not break. So he did not properly prepare this metal for what was being done. Now let's look in here. This is the backing plate right there, and this is his added material. This is all added material right here. 3/16 plate, and this is one weld right here. That's his weld. Let's look inside here. Now, if he properly prepared these plates, you would have weld material coming through here to properly fuse this structure. But you can see here, there's clear flaws. If he properly prepared this welding process that he would have done would have completely penetrated in here and come through on the back side. It would have come through there. So he didn't properly prepare this. What he should have done is bevel this piece of metal all the way, almost all of it, okay? And even bevel this one. And then he fills this in with a root pass, and then a cap pass, a tie-in pass. See right here, look at this. Nothing. And by me hitting it with a hammer, it caused it to break. Wow. This, folks, is why you don't hire self-taught welders. It's annoying. Would you go to a doctor? A self-taught doctor? I don't think so. Oh well. Live and learn. I'm just illustrating the bad work that guy did. And God, I'm so glad I fired him. Man. Anyways, that's about it. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.